Home Minister G Parameshwara has reacted a day after a court ordered the registration of an FIR against him over his alleged statement following a Kabaddi match, where he reportedly mentioned losing a 500 rupees bet with a deputy commissioner. Speaking to reporters in Bengaluru on Wednesday, Parameshwara said, "It seems I cannot crack jokes anymore," expressing that his comment was made casually. The Home Minister clarified that his remark during the Kabaddi match was made in a lighter-hearted manner and was not intended to promote betting. He explained that in rural settings, people often speak casually, and while the statement may be considered legally wrong, it should be understood in context. He further said that he did not ask anyone to place bets or encourage betting on the game. According to him, such actions would be inappropriate, but his statement was only made in jest during the match. Parameshwara also noted that the issue of betting ended once the game concluded, but it was later revived after a private individual identified as HR Nagabhushan filed a complaint in court. When asked why he did not present his explanation before the court, he responded that he had not received any notice regarding the matter. Reiterating his stand, the Home Minister maintained that his comment was made in a joking manner and should not be interpreted as promoting any illegal activities.